Okay, I'm doing this video so you can become familiar with inside of CTLS. Okay, this button right here is your home. This button is your digital sessions, which you normally click on to get started. This is your resources, assignments, discussions. When I ask you to click on the assessment to take an assessment, this is the tab that you would click on right here. Okay, and then there will be different tasks or things for you here to complete. Okay, now let's look at digital session when you first log in. When you first log in, you see the different sessions. This is week 2, August 24th to August 28th. If you click here once, it says you are here. Okay, good morning and welcome. Now, what I need for you to do every day when you log in, you need to come here and click on the notebook. Click on the notebook. So, when you click on the notebook, this PowerPoint opens up. That's what you need to do. Now, to start the PowerPoint, you're going to click on this button here that looks like a slideshow or a desktop. And you click present. Once you're in the presenters mode, you will see ESOL Foundations of Algebra, Campbell High School, and this one happens to say week 3, Introduction to Algebra. Okay, this is for next week. To get to a particular day, you just click on that day. That's Monday. Here I have our agenda for the week. You click on whatever day that we're on. Okay, Monday. This is the lesson for Monday. What am I learning today? To distinguish between rational and irrational numbers. What am I going to do today to learn? Here's my video with interactive notebook. You would click it to watch it. Okay, now let's suppose you wanted to go to Tuesdays. You would click Tuesday. And when you click Tuesday, you see what's available here that's going on for Tuesday. So now, you need to make sure that every day you download the PowerPoint because there will be updated information on there for the week. Now, I need to get to this resource tab for you guys to see. If you click on the resource tab, you will notice we have resources, and you can always click back to a different day of the week. So these are other items in here under resources that you still have available. This is the video we watched earlier this week. So I will always have different things here for resources. Now, if you happen to see, let me go back. Okay, that's the end of the slide.